Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. My name is Mark Roden, and in today's video we are, oh, there's an automobile coming that way. I can always, my road out of my driveway is like so long, like I could definitely have gone in front of this guy, but I always just try to go when there's no one, you know, that way there's no troubles. But today I'm going down to my uncle's house in order to fix my brakes, because he's got all the tools and stuff at his house. So in order to fix the brakes, and so when I get down there I'm going to film a video for you guys on how to fix brakes, you know, just because I have a lot of young people on this channel and maybe they don't know how to do it. I know it's just the rotors and pads, hopefully. I mean, I hope I don't have to replace a caliper. I don't think I do, but I swear, I sure hope not. But anyway, yeah, that's what we're going down there to do. But I decided, you know, this is a perfect opportunity to do a Mark's talking and driving video. But just warning you, I might be like during the middle of the video because I have like a hair stuck in the back of my throat and it will just not go. I've been trying to like get it away for like an hour now and it's just not going away. I think I've got it away for the most part, but like I can kind of feel it creeping back up again. It's just stuck back there and it's absolutely frustrating. But yeah, we're finally fixing the brakes, and I wanted to just talk about like what's going on with the Mark Roden channel. So obviously you guys, if you watch the old channel, then you understand. Your boy used to upload every single day, right? Every single day I used to upload pictures of my anus onto the internet, but nowadays I don't do that. Mainly because that's kind of gross, but also because I'm gonna upload every other day instead of every day, because I believe that I kind of want to go for a quality over quantity approach, right? I've always kind of done quantity over quality. My videos have always been like short, sweet, not the craziest editing, nothing super special about them, but I upload every single day and you guys seem to like that. But I want to try the opposite. I want to try to make videos that are longer, that have more content. Like literally just yesterday, well 2 days ago for you guys, but yesterday for me, I uploaded a top 25 cars video. So instead of just top 10s from now on, I want to do top 20s and bigger lists. On top of that, I want to do, well, let's just go over. I wrote down all my ideas. I want to see which ones you guys think are the best. I also just got a text, so no, I didn't. Anyway, so let me go over all the ideas I've written down. The first one is one that's kind of new. I have done 4 of them in the past, but only a very small handful of people that are watching this video have probably actually watched those videos. And they are called Roden's Reviews, and they're pretty self-explanatory. I want to review cars. I think that'd be fun. It would be a blast to review people's cars and get to drive a bunch of cool cars that I've never driven before. So I've taken to, my way of doing it so far has been asking people on Facebook Marketplace that are trying to sell their cars, like, hey, listen, if you let me test drive your car and make a video of it, I'll give you $50, and in return, I will like post your listing on the video. That way, if somebody wants to buy it, they can go buy it, and hopefully it can help you with an advertisement almost, right? And so that's kind of what I'm trying to do with those guys, but it's not really working out, which makes sense. I mean, these people just want to sell their cars. They probably don't want to set up a freaking meeting like that. So instead, I'm starting to think, okay, what about a dealership, right? Like, what if I go to call up a dealership that has a nice car for sale, and I'm like, hey, listen, I want to test drive this car, and I want to, you know, drive it myself. And that way, they might be more open to it, because I feel like as somebody that's trying to sell a car, you probably don't want just any random Joe Schmo coming and test driving it. But if you're a dealership, you have fleet insurance, right? And so you don't have to really worry about people test driving your car. So maybe they'd be more open to it, and then in return I give the dealership a shout out. So I'm trying to think of that. Obviously, if you guys have a car and you live in Connecticut, or at least close to Connecticut, and you're willing to let me test drive it, definitely let me know. Shoot me a DM or something on Instagram, and I would definitely give it a shot. But yeah, I want to do some more Roden's reviews. It was fun when I did. I only did it with 4 cars, but it was fun while I did it. It gives me a reason to get out of the house more too, which is nice, and socialize a little bit, which I always love. And so yeah, that's definitely something that I'm thinking about doing. The next thing is something that we have done before, but I've kind of lacked on those. And again, this is why I want to do a video every other day, because now it gives me more time to actually focus on making these videos, because they take a lot of time. Deep dives, or what makes it great, whatever you want to call it. Those videos have done incredibly well on this channel. They are some of my most viewed videos. You guys seem to absolutely love those videos, and so that's good. I like that. That makes me happy. The videos themselves, however, I always put in a lot of effort. It takes like, honestly, like triple the amount of time it takes to make like a top 10 video, to make a deep dive video. But it pays, obviously, you know, people seem to like it when I do those videos. So I want to do more of those, hopefully like 1 every week. But again, if I do it every other day, it gives me more time to make those videos, and I can get them out there. and that makes me happy. But again, I don't really understand, like, I don't really know if that's what you guys want to see, or if you guys just want to see normal old Mark, top 10s, good, bad, and uglies. That's the next thing, by the way, is, well, actually, no, the next thing is how to build a blank. I've done, I think, 3 of these videos in the past, and you guys seem to enjoy them, just kind of average. They didn't do, like, crazy good or bad or anything like that. They were just kind of did average. But pretty much it's just, you know, how I would personally build some of the car community's most popular cars. Just what I would do to them. Because obviously I would like to actually build them for you guys and like make like a vlog channel, something like TJ Hunt, Adam LZ, Jimmy Oaks, something like that. But I'm gonna be 100% honest. I do not make a lot of money, man. Like I can't just go out there and buy whatever car I want to buy and build it up for you guys. I wish I could, but I can't. So if instead we do the how to build a blank, maybe that'll be a thing. I kind of want to try and scratch one. I have like 6 options on here, and I'd really like to get it down to like 5. So if I could scratch one of them off, that'd be good. And I think this is the one that I'm thinking about scratching off the most, because I already kind of have a lot of videos about like a certain special car. Like the deep dives and good, bad, and uglies are both like videos that are dedicated to one car. And if I do reviews, then that's a whole other video that's going to be dedicated to one single car. And so if I have how to build A, then it's also another video that's dedicated to one single car. And so it would just be like, I feel like kind of pointless. And so I don't know, that's the one I'm definitely thinking about cutting out the most. But definitely let me know what you guys thought of those videos. They didn't do super great, but they also didn't do bad, so I don't really know if you guys are gonna care about it. The next is obviously good, bad, and uglies. We are still gonna keep doing those. You guys, those have been a staple of the Mark Roden channel since I've started it. You guys like them. I like making them. They're fun videos, and they are staying no matter what. Those are gonna be here. Yeah, they're fun videos, man. I want to do a good, bad, and ugly eventually on every single car in the world. Not even joking. I want to eventually have a good, bad, and ugly on every car in the world. That would be great. So that's what we're trying to go for there. Next is 2 more videos that are kind of the same but kind of different. Top 10 cheap cars, and then a top 10 just random cars list. Those are, in my opinion, completely different. So if I do like a top 10 cheap car video, that's like massively different from, like, let's say I do like a top 10 most underrated cars. I feel like those videos are completely separate from the other one. So I want to do like one of each of those a week, or like every cycle. That's what I'm trying to figure out. I'm trying to figure out a cycle to make. Like, so like we'll go like, I don't know, top 10 cheap cars. 2 days later it's a good, bad, and ugly. 2 days later it's a Roden's review video. 2 days later it's a top 10 other video, and then 2 days later it's a deep dive. And then 2 days after that, it's a vlog, which is the last thing. I want to do a vlog. But this is what I consider as a vlog, by the way. Like me driving and talking, me working on my car, or going to a car meet, something like that. Something like real life Mark Roden. I want to end off the cycle with that, and then just keep repeating that cycle, and hopefully that'll work. That is a nice Mustang. Look at this Mustang. I'm not a Mustang guy, but that was nice. Also an RX-8. But yeah, that's my plan. That's the old plan. Again, let me know what videos you guys like the most and dislike the most. I already know you guys like the deep dives the most. Like, I see that you guys love watching those videos. Almost every time I make a deep dive video, it does incredible numbers, especially for my channel. So I understand you guys like doing those. The only thing is, the reason why I haven't been making those a lot lately is because they do take up a lot of time. But now that I'm doing them every other day, I can hopefully get those out more frequently. But yeah, let me know. I really want to try doing the Roden's reviews. I want to try cutting out top 10s as much as possible, because I've pretty much done top 10 everything you could possibly think of at this point. And so it's like, what's the point really in doing any more top 10s? So I kind of want to try and cut those out as much as possible. The good, bad, and uglies are obviously here to stay. And then the vlogs. I wish I could make more vlogs for you guys, and like more interesting vlog content, like actually building up cars and actually going to events and stuff. But I don't have the money to afford that kind of stuff. I mean, I could go to events, I could afford that, but there really isn't as many events as you would think. And it's hard, bro. It is so hard to find events that like are happening. Am I the only one that feels that way? Like, I feel like I never get told about these things. Every time I do get told about them, I go, but I don't go often because I never know they're happening. It's like car guy events are just like, you gotta find them. They're like an Elden Ring dungeon. It's hard. It's tough sometimes, man. But anyway. Yeah, let me know if you guys think that's a good plan. Let me know what videos you think. Honestly, let me know what what would be the perfect schedule to you? What would you like to see me do the most? Keep in mind you got a account for everybody, so I can't just do top 10s every day of the week, or just do deep dives, or just do good, bad, and uglies, or vlogs, or whatever. You gotta account for everybody's wants, and they like different things, so keep that in mind. I kind of want to get food, but I can't tell if I should or not. I think I'll get food after. But anyway, yeah, let me know what you guys think. I appreciate you guys watching this video. Next time you guys see me doing like a vlog style video, it's gonna probably be how to replace your brakes front and back, because I gotta replace all 4 of them bad boys when I get down here. It's not gonna be fun. It's so hot out today, guys. It's like freaking 85 degrees. I'm dying. Florida guys are probably laughing at me right now, like 85 degrees. Man, you're freezing. But for us, this is hot. I'm hot right now, man. I'm steaming. Got my AC blowing and everything. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate it. Let me know, again, what you guys think is the best idea for me in order to, in terms of making videos. What videos would you cut out if you could? Because again, there's a lot of options here. And so I kind of want to just try and cut it back to just like, maybe just 5 or 6. I think there's 7. I want to try and cut it back to like 5 or 6. And if I can cut it back to 5 or 6, then maybe I can do it every, like, if I can get like a nice routine going, maybe I can make a video every day of the week and do like Monday through Saturday and then have Sunday off. Maybe I can do something like that. But I'm trying to, but right now, I tried doing that like a couple months ago. I started, that was like going to be my plan, but it was just too much. It was a lot of time. I had like no time to myself really, and so, yeah, I decided to change it up a little bit. And this way, again, this way I can make, instead of just every day make like the same video, I can instead make new content that's interesting and enjoyable to watch every other day instead. So, thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate it. Das Vidania, and have a nice night. These guys are staring.